For more videos like this for Discrete 1, you can take a look at Sarai's studies. Link is in the description box below. The next thing we can do with relations is operate on them. So we're going to learn about operations of relations, or what your textbook likes to call combining relations. But this is really just the same thing as operations of sets. So given relations and the original set, let's find the following basic operations. So think of this as an and symbol. So the set is going to be made up of the elements that are in R1 and R2. So the only one that's in R1 and R2 is this pair. So it's just going to be 1, 2. Think of this as an or. So the only elements in this set are those that are in R1 or R2, basically all of them. So this is union. So think of every element coming together in a union. So it's going to be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2 again, and then 2, 2. But then you would have to realize that your set can't have duplicates. So then you can't have this twice. So you're just going to remove it. So at the end of the day, this is what your set is going to look like. Here we have R1 minus R2. That means you're going to write all of the pairs that are in R1 unless they're in R2. So the only pairs in R1 are these, but this one is in R2, so we don't include it. So the only thing we're going to include is 1, 1, 1, 1, and that's it. Here we have the opposite, everything in R2 except if it's in R1. So everything in R2 are these two, but this one is in R1, so we don't include it. So the only thing that's left in R2 that we can include is 2, 2. Here we have R1 exclusive or R2. This is equivalent to everything that's in here unless it's in here. One way to remember it is you include everything that's correct, that should be in the set, minus everything that's wrong, that shouldn't be in the set. And the way I remember it is that this here, I can make it look like a check mark. So everything that I'm going to include is going to be this entire set here. And then the other one is just going to be the X, because if you try to make a check mark, like, it doesn't look like a check mark. There's something here covering it. But this one you can easily say, yeah, this is a check mark. So just remember that it's really R1 union R2 minus this stuff, R1 intersection R2. So it's going to be everything in this set unless it's in this one. So this is in this set, so we're not including that one. So the only things left are 1, 1 and 2, 2. It's going to be the set containing 1, 1, 2, 2. Now here we have R1 bar. Remember, bar and C mean the same thing. It's just opposite. So basically we want everything that's not in R1. So everything that's not here. So you just have to remember, where are you getting these from? You're getting them from the Cartesian product of its set with itself. So find what that is. So set A is 1, 2, and then set A is, again, 1, 2, and the rule is take the first one that they give you, go to it. In this case, they're both the same, so just pick one. And the idea is for every element in that set, you're going to pair with every element in the other set. So it's going to be the set of 1 paired with 1, 1, 1, and 1 paired with 2, 1, 2. Then you move on to the next element, so 2 paired with 1, so 2, 1, and then 2 paired with 2, so 2, 2. And that's it. So if you want the opposite of R1, you want everything that's not in R1, then recognize that R1 has 1, 1, which is over here, has 1, 2, which is over here. So you want everything that's not these two, that only leaves you with these two. So your set at the end of the day is going to be 2, 1 and 2, 2. Same thing with this one, R2 complement. That just means the opposite of R2. So you want everything that's not in R2. So recognize R2 has 1, 2, so this one, and it has 2, 2, so this one. So you want everything that's not these two. So you're just left with 1, 1 and 2, 1. So your set is going to be equal to 1, 1 and 2, 1. And that's it for the basic operations. There's one more operation we have to worry about, and that's the composition of two relations. So when you see the symbol, it's a composition, and that we'll talk about in the next video.